Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys every new toggle in the dressing room press update that you might have missed. So go to the dressing rooms. First, the sparkling sleeve. There's now both arms. That's the new toggle. And then there's also the snowflake dress. Now you can separate it. There's the only top toggle and the only skirt toggle. Then there is the diamond heels. You can also just use the jewelry without the heels itself. Then there's the Christmas shoes one. I need to delete some stuff where you can just use the shoes or the socks. It's not really socks, but whatever. Then there is the headpiece where you can turn off the sparkles. The balloon has a bunch of different toggles as well. There's the fly one, which I think is pretty cool, and there's the hold one as well. There's this dress, which you can toggle these off, like the details if you'd like to. I think that's all in the dressing rooms. Next is in VIP. So for this dress here, you're able to toggle only top and also turn off the fur. For this one, you can also toggle it to no ruffles. For the necklace, there's two toggles to it. The queen one, I really like the queen one. It's so pretty. And I think that's it. Yes, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.